Hi, so I'm unboxing my new consultant kit. It just came today while I was at the beach. So we have this Epicure package. We'll open that later. Packing slip. Consultant ID stuff. Certificate of insurance. Okay, that's something new. I didn't have that when I was a consultant before. I love this big cardboard. Ooh. Okay, we got catalogs. Guessing these are Canadian catalogs. Ooh, another multi-purpose steamer, the big one. And we got, my chef's apron, my Epicure chef's apron. We'll have to check that out. Oops. So, the chocolate pudding, mac and cheese, guacamole samples, cheese, chive, and bacon samples, 3 onion samples, Optimum vegan protein blend, citrus press, prep bowls. I have these from before when I was a consultant and I absolutely love them. They're such a good shape and I love the silicone lid that goes on them. Summer berry mix, awesome, with Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, whipped cream. Join the food movement. I believe that's the diet book. They didn't have that when I was part of Epicure before. Epic Life. Oh, the whole, I guess, food journal. Awesome. Some order forms. Good food deserves to be shared. I'm not too sure what these are. Oh, probably envelopes. Yep, something stuck together. Good food, good results. Oh wow. All the different recipes. That's awesome. Oh, the perfect portion cups. They're not measuring cups, they're portion cups for the good food movement. Tongs, silicone tongs. The Epicure measuring spoon. One side's a tablespoon, one's a teaspoon. You flip it over. You have, I believe, a quarter and a half a teaspoon as well. The jar. Oh, and it has the measurements on it again. At one point, they didn't have the measurements. They had them and then they didn't have them, and it's so much easier with the measurements. The silicone funnel that goes in the jar. The prep paring knife. I already have one of those, and it's really good. My daughter loves using it. Oops, lemon dilly mix. So the lemon dilly, 3 onion, and the cheese, chive, and bacon are awesome for the Epicure Extraordinary Cheese Dip. Must have at every party. Oh, the non-slip cutting mats. These have improved too since the last time I was with Epicure. Before they were just little mats. I'm running out of room. We have, oh, actually no, those there. Those are the cutting mats. I'm not sure. I think you put these on top of these to hold them in place. That's a good idea. So we got the meal kits. So we have an Italian meal kit, the Mexican meal kit, and the Greek meal kit. and more catalogs. So that's what we get when you become a consultant in Canada. I'm not sure if the American box will be the same, but this is the starter kit. Okay, if you want to know more about joining Epicure, just shoot me a private message and I'll answer all your questions. Okay, have a great night.